In this Wing Chun lesson, I introduced the Cao Sao, or zoning arm. The Cao Sao is a Wing Chun technique that uses a scooping arm movement along with a pivot to take an opponent's arm from your inside gate to your outside gate. See more in this lesson. Don't miss out on another lesson. Subscribe to the Adam Willis channel. Cao Sao. The Cao Sao is a zoning hand. So if you feel this and you feel me here like this, you can kind of zone me out. Yes, and it's okay to bring the elbow up on this because it looks like a bong.
It's a bong. Okay.
It looks like it. You know, again,
but it's like
it doesn't act like a bong because a bong would be here, right? This is an action where I start on the inside, and then you're feeling this, and you're just kind of zoning and letting me go, right? Yeah, you're like that, and then you can hit here at that, and then afterwards, we don't keep our elbows up at any time, right? It can be up during the transition, but then it comes on back down. So the cow is kind of like I'm gonna zone you. You're already giving me some energy here. I'm gonna zone you outside of my gate.
And this is when you're feeling this is when you're feeling me push this way.
Yes. Yeah. So here and then, right? I've zoned you out, and then I can come in from there. Introducing my Wing Chun distance learning program at wingchunlessons.com. Designed to help those with a sincere interest to learn Wing Chun at home. Not everyone has access to a Wing Chun school or local instructor where they live. This Wing Chun home training program also gives you a chance to become certified and recognized under the Dragon Institute ranking system, which is a necessary first step for those who wish to become certified Wing Chun instructors. Read more at wingchunlessons.com.